What is Devin AI? What is Devin AI? Devin AI is one of the world's first AI software engineers. So this particular AI from Cognition is designed to be able to do everything a human software engineer could do. So within Devin AI, there's a code editor, there's a command line interface, and there's also a browser. Having said that, the demo for Devin is really, really impressive. It shows Devin actually being able to solve and troubleshoot problems like a real human being and like a real software engineer. Now, the whole AI community, developer community, and all these different communities have gone agog with the whole idea of wild with the whole idea of having the world's first AI software developer. Now, in my own opinion, my honest opinion, just looking at Devin right now, the idea here is very, very cool, to say the least, where you can have this AI software engineer that can do everything that a human software engineer can do. But this is the first generation. So I really don't expect this particular AI or any of these AIs in this sphere to really disrupt the work of programmers within at least the near future. Now, but this is where it starts getting interesting, to say the least. Where it starts getting interesting is because now, very soon, this is the first generation of this Devin AI or the likes of it. This is the first iteration. After iteration, so now in machine world or machine generation, so you have your iPhone 1 or your iPhone 2, your iPhone 3, your iPhone 4, now we're in iPhone 15, iPhone 16. Now, in every machine generation, most machine generations are literally like a year. So within the next couple of generations of Devin AI, I'm very sure there's going to be a lot of improvement. There's going to be a lot of more details and nuances added. There's going to be a lot of more intelligence added to the model as it learns and grows exponentially. So having said that, within the next couple of at least years, would this really change the programming landscape? Not as much, but it will eventually. Now I've done my research and talked to different people, seen the different people's reactions. Some saying like, oh, this is just some sort of demo just to get funding, raise funding, or this is just some sort of demo to make it look cool to the investors as they're trying to raise funds. Yes, I hear that school of thought. While some other people say this cannot replace the traditional programmer. I hear both sides, and the truth now is this. Yes, this first iteration might not be able to totally replace a programmer. So think about it here, a Fortune 500 company. Do you want to really just hand over your code base to an artificial intelligence model that is still being trained now? Of course, I talked about AI hallucination in a previous video. Are we just willing to just hand that AI model the code base, or that is probably worth billions of dollars to just run amok with? No. But eventually, in a subtle way, we're going to start seeing a world where the code that is written is not necessarily written by human beings, but it's written by AI machines, but is checked or cross-checked by human beings, making sure that the AI model or the AI software engineer is doing the right thing. So in a world where you probably needed 1,000 software engineers, and then you now start needing maybe 500, then 100, then just 10. But the reality is this: Devin AI right now, I don't know as much as apart from the demo that we've seen. It looks really cool and impressive, but down the road, will it really be able to change the game as much? Right now, version 1, maybe version 2, version 3, version 4, then the sky is the limit from there. Then it starts getting very, very impossible to totally predict. But one thing I can say for sure, so the one saying that it was just a cool demo, it's not really going to change anything, they can hold their horses. The people saying that it's come to take everybody's job, you can hold your horses as well. I think it's somewhere in the middle where you just have to be perspicacious or observant of these new technologies and just do your best to learn and make the best of it while the sun still shines. Thank you so much. My name is Wells Alabi. I'm an IT professional with over 10 years of experience, and I'm here to talk to you about AI and new technology in this podcast. Thank you.